Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me Nilan. So today we are going to create one of Instagram logo. So step one, make one square. So you can use Shift key to make. Okay. Then after that, set one stroke color here. So let's go something any stroke color. And after that, make one copy of this one. So edit copy and edit paste in place and hold on alt shift key or option shift key to make that. Okay, then after that make one more ellipse middle of here. So let's go like this. Okay, and after that do something. So make one more circle over here. So let's make something here. Then this value I have to make based on this corner. So we need something snap value here. So I have to target the same way of that middle point here. Okay, so let's delete so we can make sure that our element is perfect right now. And the next one we have to make something stroke like this. So let's make something like this. And after that outer one, make it one more like that line here like this. Then after that we have to arrange something this corner a little bit bigger like this. Then this one I have to make something like more smaller here. So let's make something more smaller like this. Okay, and now let's make stroke color, stroke thickness something bigger. So make it stroke settings, make it a stroke color inside here. So we can make sure that thickness well, and I have to use that eyedropper for this one too. Then make it this one to the full color like this. Then after that set this outer color something a stroke like this. Then we have to change something here. So better to select all inside one and make it lock for this one. And that below one we have to set that gradient here. So I have to switch the gradient. So once you apply the gradient, apply the third type of gradient, which is freeform gradient here. Okay, then set the color. So let's make this one. So I have to make something that color like something like this. Okay, so after that make this stroke color. So for that I have to make unlock, then select, then change the color something white here and one more white here. Then this one also white. So this is a Instagram logo. Thank you for watching this video. So if you like, please support me.